For over 6 years, Make Fashion has hosted large runway shows featuring innovative wearable technology. In 2017, designers and technologists from all over the world met in Calgary, Canada to show off their latest fashion tech offerings and experiments. Love them or hate them, drones have become a hot item for both casual hobbyists and professionals. Drones aren't often associated with high fashion, but the Little Dada team from Toronto is ready to change that. Refamiliar is a dress that incorporates drones into a beautiful garment. The drone uses custom software for a safe and smooth trip down the runway. The first Lumen Couture projector dress was created in 2016 by Chris Corner and Chelsea Klukas. The team continued to iterate on the technology and added Kyle Nyland as a dressmaker. The new version of Lumen Couture contains a full PC and a camera and uses real-time tracking to map to the wearer's body. The end result is that the model can move her body and tilt her head without the projection moving or warping. We've seen drones and projectors in dresses, but what about lasers? Arina Kashihara's double vision dress contains panels that alternate between transparent and opaque. When the panels are opaque, the lasers are hidden and the dress glows. When the panels are transparent, the dress explodes into light and illuminates the entire room.